all the dignitaries on the dais, respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I am Kritika from grade 4. It's an immense pleasure for me to show the gratitude to our freedom fighters on this occasion of Independence Day. As we have celebrated Amrit Mahotsav last year, and now we came one step forward to this, a very blessed Independence Day to all of you. Independence Day is one of the remarkable days where we get opportunity to thank all the martyrs such as Mahatma Gandhi ji, Bhagat Singh, Maulana Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, and so on for their sacrifices to the motherland. By following their path, we Indians have brought a lot of contribution to India and placed India among the topmost countries. Since from centuries, we Indians are struggling to come across with our hindrances. Till today as well, though we are in this situation, we are witnessing good progress in our software sector. Suppose we take software sector as an example. In India, it is stepping forward with Korea, Japan and China. It means to say that India is also playing a leading role with other countries. In India, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad and Bangalore has become the hubs of business sectors. By this, our capital investments as well getting more and more, which surely increase our per capita income of the country. The second thing, if we have a look on GDP, India ranks 7th in the world at the fastest growth of GDP. The third most important one is the India's defense sector. India is witnessing second largest defense system next to America. How can we forget the women empowerment? Today women are enjoying all the facilities. Now they have come across with all the barriers which prevent them to take part in the adventurous activities. Finally, states such as Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab and Karnataka have made us to realize that much can be achieved to our China development, funds for improvement in areas such as education and health. Now the illiteracy level has almost dropped out. Now let us think that what prevents us from undertaking such challenges. We have to analyze how we can give new dimension to our style of functioning by cutting across the individual interests of various ministries and even industries and institutions to follow an integrated action plan. The motive force is to be love for the country. We need a vision that is shared by the entire nation. By the motive force of ISRO, we observe the successful launch of Chandrayaan-3, which is one of the greatest feats of Indian history. At this Independence Day, we want all of us at every level to take full responsibility for what is good or bad in our situation. This should mean that we stop blaming others for the circumstances where we find ourselves in. Taking responsibility also means willingness to exercise our abilities to the fullest. I hope this should make us worthy of enjoying the benefits that come with effort. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है. As Jawaharlal Nehru said, "Aram haram aye, let's show to the world India can do it." Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.